For this video, we're just going to walk through real quickly how to upload or download files. We're going to start with downloading a template. Let's say you know the inside dimensions that you need and you know the product that you need. You can come up here and just select that product here. Or if you're not quite sure, you can just click the button down here so you can get a better visual of the design that you need. Once you find the design that you need, you can just click on it, come over here, and then you are able to either select a standard size or a custom size. The price doesn't differ between either one of these. It's just how specific you want to be with your product. On the left side, if you choose custom size, the left side is your whole numbers. On the right side is your fractions. Okay. So once you have that nailed down, you want to make sure that you choose either outside only or outside and inside. This will give you one or two PDFs so that you're able to upload them to the site properly. And then after you choose the print size that you need, come down here to offline design, click that, and you'll want to click download template. And then you'll receive a zip file here, and that will pop up and give you two PDFs inside and outside.
After you've downloaded your templates, feel free to open up these files in whatever platform you desire, whether it be Illustrator, InDesign, Photoshop, Canva, they all work. The biggest thing to remember is to save them as a PDF again, just because we've come to find out through trial and error that PDFs travel through our system the best. So before you open them up inside your platforms, I recommend that you come down here to offline design and then download these artwork guidelines. This will assist you in designing with the end result in mind for our presses specifically. So we put together some guidelines for designing, such as color matching, whether it be Pantones, some bleeds for safe zones to make sure everything stays on your panels like it's supposed to, line thicknesses, fonts, resolution, minimum resolutions, all that good stuff is very important when it comes to your end result. So down here, I'm just going to show you a little bit about what I did. Just put a little basic logo with a background color. On the inside, I put another logo. So nothing big. The main thing you want to remember here is when you're ready to rock and roll, you want to take off your crease and your cut lines. For your outside, I did that, and then you also want to do it for your inside. Make sure you remember to do that too. This is important just because when you upload this file again, it's going to apply another die line to the upload. So there's no real need to have both present. You can delete them or you can hide them. It doesn't really matter which one. It just can't be shown when you do the upload. Now I'm ready to upload this to my site and I will save my design as a PDF again, just as a reminder. And I'll come back over here to your website and you want to make sure that you put the exact same dimensions in as you did before, whether it be standard size or custom size. And then next you're going to come down and pick your print size again to match what you just did, outside and inside or outside only. And then after that, you're going to want to choose your production time. You can either choose standard or you can choose rush. This is important. This is just for the time that your item is spent in production. Your shipping time will come after, towards the end. And just as a reminder again, when you're getting your item, when you need it, you want to factor in the production time and the shipping time in total. And that's when you'll have your item in your hands. And after that, you're going to want to put in your quantity. Make sure that you have the right quantity that you need. And then you're going to come down and click Upload Design. Once you see the containers pull up, then you can drop the file into the matching container. So you want to grab your outside file, put it in your outside container. Make sure you see that PDF sign that shows up. This is important because if it didn't, then that means it didn't grab it. And if you had two files, then you can grab your inside and do the exact same thing. Now, if you don't like the drag and drop method, you can always click that button that was on the right, the upload from computer button, if you need to. Next, you can just come up here and give your product a name. You can name it pretty much anything you would like. I'm just going to do my logo design box. Just for future references, if you want to like version it out later or if you want to come back to it. You can come down here and hit next, and it's going to take you to our editor page. Then you can review what you just placed on your die line. We can come over to the right side here, look at the 3D. You can spin it around. I would definitely suggest that. Just kind of make sure everything is positioned the way you need it to be. And if you hover over any panel inside the editor, it'll show you and tell you what name it is as well. You can also come down here and click opened, and you can look at the inside of your box, check it and make sure everything looks great. So I'm just going to come up here and hit continue to review one more time. You can spin that around if you need to, and then just click continue to put it in your cart. And now I'm ready to rock and roll with my order.